What's up, it's Elaine. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are welcome here as well. And if you want to join the family, go ahead and subscribe and also follow me on my socials. Finally, I'm spilling the tea about my hair volume. I feel like the hair volume is one of the most asked questions on the comment section after eyeliner, and guys, today's the day. I did make some videos in the past about my hair volume, but I have an updated version. I don't go through all those heated irons or whatever. And honestly, I suck at doing hair. So the only thing I do in my hair is just straighten them now. I don't do anything for volume. Don't be surprised. The new way I get my volume is my haircut. I naturally have really flat, straight, and little bit of hair. After I started getting this haircut, like I don't even worry about volume anymore. So there's total two things. So the first one is my haircut, and I showed this picture and I told her not to touch my length, but I want a lot of volume. And this is already like my third time getting a haircut from her. So yeah, I've been going to her ever since. Whenever my volume is dying, I just go to her. I'm like, hey, can you give me some volume? And I've recently found her. This is not a sponsored video. I don't think she even has like social media because she's just like an old Korean lady. But if you're in the OCLA area, I'll leave the salon name in the description box. And because so many of you guys asked me, I asked her like, hey, what haircut are you doing on me? And she said it's a shaggy haircut. I didn't even know this kind of haircut existed, but I looked it up. I was like, wait, I kind of low-key see it because my hair on the top, it's like really short. But she did say she has her own technique. So if anybody else asks me next time, I'm just gonna say layered shaggy cut. I don't know. But yeah, it's something like that. When your hair is long and it's too heavy, it's not gonna give volume. It's gonna keep you all down. And the second thing I do, these two are combos by the way. The second thing I do is I shower at night and I blow dry my hair like 95%. And I go straight to bed. Don't do anything else. Okay, maybe like skincare stuff. Because if I dry my hair just standing like this, it's gonna dry so flat. But if I go straight to my bed and I'm just on my phone or go to sleep, I'm gonna have a bed hair next day. And let me tell you, it's going to be voluminous. So every day I have different volume, and on my good days, it goes crazy. But on my like low days too, like it's pretty good. I would say today is a little bit more on the lower side. I guess I didn't sleep too crazy. But even with this volume, I'm so satisfied. Yeah, so those are the two things I do for my volume hair. But if you can't do any of these, I do have another way where you force the volume in, which is crimping my hair. I'll link that in my description box as well. You need to crimp your hair to get volume. And that one is very long lasting. So if you are going to the beach or like you're gonna sweat and you need volume, try crimping your hair. And I know a lot of you guys asked about products that I use too, but honestly, I don't really use products. I just shower. But if you are curious what I'm using the Shiseido Fino shampoo and conditioner. So yeah, that's basically how I do it. And I'm like so thankful because I get up in the morning, I just do my makeup and leave the house. Like I don't care about my hair. I'm very low maintenance with hair. Like I just can't do it. Oh, also the color that I have is violet red with no bleach. But anyways, this is the end of the video. If you have any more questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. I'll get to you like ASAP. And if you have any video recommendations, let me know as well. And I'll see you guys next time.